Partnership is an association between two or more persons who agree to do business and share its profits and losses. The partners act both as agents and principals of the firm. When two or more persons join hands to set up a business and share its profits and losses, they are said to be in partnership. Persons who have entered into partnership with one another are individually called partners and collectively called firm. According to Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, partnership is relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Essential features of partnership are: number 1, two or more persons; number 2, agreement; number 3, business; number 4, mutual agency; number 5, sharing of profit; number 6, liability of partnership. So let's discuss number 1, two or more persons. The minimum number of partners in a firm can be 2. There is, however, a limit on their maximum number. Every person except the following can enter in a partnership. By Section 464 of the Companies Act 2013, the central government is empowered to prescribe maximum number of partners in a firm, but the number of partners can't be more than 100. The central government has prescribed a maximum number of partners in a firm to be 50 under Rule 10 of the Companies Miscellaneous Rules 2014. Number 2, agreement. Partnership is the result of an agreement between two or more persons, either oral or written, known as partnership deed, to do business and share its profits and losses. As the agreement becomes the basis of relationship between the partners, besides, it is not necessary that such agreement is in written form. An oral agreement is equally valid, but in order to avoid disputes, it is preferred that the partners have a written agreement. Number 3, business. The agreement should be made to carry on some business. Mere co-ownership of a property does not amount to partnership. It is important for a firm to carry some kind of business after entering into partnership and should have a profit earning motive. For example, any charitable activity is not considered as business as it does not have a profit motive. Now let's discuss number 4, that is mutual agency. Partners are the agents as well as the principals. This means that the business of a partnership may be carried on by all the partners or any of them acting for all. He can bind other partners by his acts and also is bounded by the acts of other partners with regard to business of the firm. Number 5, sharing of profit. The important element of partnership is that the agreement between partners must be to share profits and losses of a business. If some persons join hands for the purpose of some charitable activity, it will not be termed as partnership. Thus, the sharing of profit and losses is important, which is liability of partnership. It states that each partner is liable for all the acts of the firm done while he is a partner. Not only that, the liability of a partner is also unlimited. This implies that his private assets can also be used for paying off the firm's debts.